This is Joan of Art. Welcome again to another edition of our Ilonggo tutorial. I just have to make this video with Yuli. There she is playing, and of course, the Ilonggo word for play is hampang. I don't know if I discussed it with you already. But hampang. There you go. That's Yuli, and we're playing here on the grass. And ooh, what she's doing there? She's scratching. Scratching in Ilonggo is pangalot. Okay, let's describe what she's doing. Pangalot. That was her scratching. And okay, that one is kagat-kagat. Like still part of pangalot. But the way she scratches with her mouth and teeth, kagat-kagat, like ingkit-ingkit, kagat-kagat. Like little bites. Like bite here and bite there. That's kagat. But kagat, a big one. A bite is really kagat. So that's dangerous. I'm amazed at how like dogs have really big, dangerous looking fangs, but like how they control their fangs so as not to hurt people when they do play. Oh, no, 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 no. Please don't. Please don't. They can be vicious, ferocious, like, ooh, what she's doing to me. Yeah. But look at them. They can be gentle. Really gentle. So that's what I like about Yuli. And when she licks, gosh, I hate being licked by dogs. I don't know. I just hate licky. So I keep telling her, no licky, no licky. To lick means dilap. Ooh, I really hate that. Dilap, 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 dilap. I hate that. No licky, no. Ah! She's really playful. Palahampang. Palahampang is playful. Okay, that's enough for this video. This is John of Art. And Yuli. That's enough. See you in our next video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Woo! Where are you? Yuli, where are you?